Hello, and welcome back to StoryTone English, your daily destination to learn English naturally through stories. This is day 12 of your daily English speaking practice series. If you've been following since day 1, you've already learned how to introduce yourself, describe your surroundings, and express your daily routine. Today, you'll take another big step, learning how to describe people's appearance and personality in English. So get comfortable, open your heart, and let's begin another story. Story: Rina's new friend. It was Monday morning. Rina had started attending an English club at her community center. Many people came there to practice speaking English: students, office workers, and even retired teachers. When Rina entered the room, she noticed a girl sitting near the window, reading a book quietly. The girl looked kind and peaceful, so Rina walked over and said, "Hi, I'm Rina. Is this seat free?" The girl smiled warmly and said, "Yes, please sit. I'm Anika." They started talking, and Rina wanted to describe her new friend in her English diary later that day. She wrote, "Anika is a young woman with short black hair and bright eyes. She wears glasses and always smiles gently. She speaks clearly and confidently." Rina thought, describing someone helps me remember them and practice English at the same time. During their break, Anika told her funny stories from her college life. She was cheerful, positive, and always encouraging others to speak English. That day, Rina learned that describing people's appearance and personality not only helps with English, it helps build real friendships. Practice section. Describe people around you. Let's practice together. Repeat slowly after me. She has long, straight hair. He has short, curly hair. She has big brown eyes. He wears glasses and a nice smile. She looks kind and friendly. He seems confident and smart. She is cheerful and helpful. He is honest and hardworking. Now let's make small sentences using both appearance and personality together. My teacher has short hair and a friendly smile. She is patient and kind. My brother is tall and strong. He is brave and loves to help others. My best friend has beautiful eyes and a funny personality. She always makes me laugh. Excellent work. Keep repeating these daily and try describing real people you meet. Story continuation: the club challenge. During the English club session, the teacher gave everyone a task. Choose a partner and describe each other in English. Rina looked at Anika and said, "You have short black hair and you wear simple but beautiful clothes. You are always smiling and you are very confident when you speak English." Anika laughed and replied, "You have long hair and bright eyes. You're a little shy but very polite and friendly." Everyone clapped after their presentation. The teacher smiled and said, "Good job. Describing others helps you use adjectives and emotions naturally." That evening, Rina walked home feeling proud. She had not only practiced English, she had also made a real friend. Speaking practice. Daily routine. Now it's your turn. Describe one of your friends or family members. Example: My father is tall and strong. He has short gray hair and a kind eyes. He works hard every day and loves our family very much. Another example: My friend Sarah is beautiful and funny. She has long brown hair and a warm smile. She always helps me when I feel sad. This simple daily exercise will help you use adjectives, emotions, and observation, key ingredients of fluent English. Tips for describing people naturally. Start with appearance: hair, eyes, height, clothes, smile. Add personality: friendly, honest, funny, confident. Use emotions: talk about how that person makes you feel. Be kind. Describe positive qualities first. Practice daily. Choose a different person every day. Describing people makes your speech richer and more expressive. Evening reflection. Rina's diary. At night, Rina opened her diary again and wrote, "I learned how to describe people. I feel confident now. English helps me understand people's hearts better." She looked at her notes and smiled. For her, learning English was no longer just about words. It was about connection, kindness, and growth. Daily challenge, practice time. Today's challenge: choose 2 people you know. Write 5 sentences about each person, including both appearance and personality. Read them aloud twice. Example: my teacher has short black hair and a lovely smile. She is patient and intelligent. She always helps us learn with kindness. Repeat this until you can describe anyone naturally in English. Amazing work today! You've just completed day 12 of your daily English speaking practice series on StoryTone English. If you enjoyed today's lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps this channel grow and reach more learners worldwide. Tomorrow, in day 13, we'll continue Rina's journey as she learns to describe emotions and feelings in English, a powerful skill for natural conversation. Keep practicing, keep believing. You're improving every single day. See you in the next video.